Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted, it's in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming, just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Yan, 1% every day. Ano po meaning nito? If we continue, having a habit na good habit, it's either bad or good, 1% every day. If it's good, in 365 days, 37 times percent ang magiging result po nito. So kahit tiny habits po yan, na ginagawa nyo daily, especially pagkagising nyo sa umaga, ano yung plano nyo within the whole day, in the long run, in time, may kita nyo po yung resulta niyan.
Ang galing po ate ng improvement ni Kisha. Bakit? Sabi kong ganun. Dati hindi siya nakakatayo. Ngayon nakakatayo na siya. Na kahit isang kamay na lang ang hawakan.
Nung nainom po ako na oxygon, ng tonic po, pag-inom po nainom ko na try ko. Kinabukasan nyo ba, alam nyo ba guys? Naglakad po ako na hindi na po ako nakatungkod.
Ang left kidney ko, ang forma, cauliflower na po. Yung right kidney ko, buo pa po. Pag sunod na balik ko, ito, resolve ko, nakita ba dyan? Grabe ang negatibo. Taas! Pero pagbalik ko, may, basahin mo sir, wala na dahil, mababa na lang.
Please don't lose hope on yourself, but still keep the faith in God. Because if you lose that hope in yourself, you will never find the action for you to be able to do what you can in life. I'm proud of you, Mom. I'm also proud of the first speaker because they took action for them to see what they can do in their life also.